Have you ever wondered what kind of drone professionals trust when lives are actually on the line? It's not the drone with the coolest social media footage. It's the one that can fly into smoke, search through darkness, and help first responders make life-saving decisions in real time. That's exactly where the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS comes in. Welcome back to Drone Dominator. If you're into the world's most advanced drones, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into one of the most impressive enterprise drones available today. At first glance, the SIRAS looks like a regular quadcopter, but don't let its appearance fool you. This drone wasn't built for weekend adventures or cinematic travel videos. It was designed for firefighters, police departments, search and rescue teams, utility companies, and industrial inspectors who need reliable technology every single time they launch. What makes the SIRAS different is its focus on real-world performance. Every feature has a purpose. Every component is built to help professionals work faster, safer, and more efficiently. One of the biggest reasons this drone stands out is its advanced dual-camera system. It combines a high-resolution 16-megapixel visible camera with a powerful FLIR Boson thermal camera. That means operators can instantly switch between a normal camera view and thermal imaging while flying. Think about that for a second. During the day, the visible camera captures sharp images and detailed 4K video for inspections and documentation. But once the sun goes down, or if thick smoke, fog, or darkness makes visibility impossible, the thermal camera takes over. Instead of seeing light, it detects heat. That allows rescue teams to locate missing people, firefighters to identify dangerous hotspots, and inspectors to find overheating equipment before it becomes a serious problem. This is the kind of technology that can completely change the outcome of a mission. Another feature professionals appreciate is how quickly the SIRAS is ready to fly. In emergency situations, every minute matters. Nobody wants to waste time with a complicated setup. The SIRAS unfolds quickly, powers on fast, and can be airborne in just a couple of minutes. That rapid deployment can make a huge difference when time is critical. Flight performance is another strong point. The drone delivers up to about 31 minutes of flight time. We have plenty more exciting drone reviews coming your way. Now here's where the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS starts separating itself from many other enterprise drones, and that's exactly what we'll cover next. One of the biggest concerns for any professional drone pilot is safety. Whether you're flying near power lines, inspecting bridges, or navigating around buildings, one mistake can cost thousands of dollars, or worse. That's why the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS is equipped with an advanced obstacle awareness system that helps pilots avoid unexpected collisions. It adds an extra layer of confidence, especially during complex missions where precision is everything. Another feature that makes this drone stand out is its secure design. Many organizations, especially government agencies and public safety departments, are careful about where their flight data goes. The SIRAS was built with security in mind, giving operators greater control over their data without depending on cloud-based services. For professionals handling sensitive operations, that's a huge advantage. The remote controller is also designed. Dangerous hotspots can still remain hidden beneath the surface. The thermal camera allows crews to identify those hotspots before they flare up again, making the entire operation safer. Industrial inspections are another area where this drone shines. Instead of sending workers to climb communication towers, inspect rooftops, or check electrical equipment, companies can safely collect detailed images and thermal data from the air. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk to employees. The visible camera also delivers impressive image quality. It records sharp 4K video and high-resolution photos, making it perfect for inspection reports, documentation, mapping projects, and infrastructure surveys. Clients receive clear, professional results without putting anyone in unnecessary danger. Battery management is another strong point. The batteries are quick to replace, allowing operators to get back into the air with minimal downtime. For emergency response teams working long shifts, that extra efficiency can make a real difference point. By this point, it's easy to see why the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS isn't competing with consumer drones. It's in an entirely different category, built for professionals who need dependable performance every single flight. So, how much does all of this technology cost? And is the SIRAS really worth the investment? We'll break down the pricing, who should buy it, and give our final verdict in the next part. Stay with us because that's coming up next on Drone Dominator.